So first insert the edges like this. This is orange, so orange and green. This is red, so here. Well, this is called cross because it's a cross. Now the other edges, that are the ones that don't have any yellow and any white. So for example, green and green. This is green, so this should go over here. And this is red, so this is red. So I have to insert it like this. Now this is red, so it goes here. This is blue, like this. Now, as this is orange, it should be here. Okay, imagine we have this case. One moment. Imagine we have this, like it's inside and not outside. So we just have to take it and do the same. Orange, orange, green, blue and blue, and the same. Okay, now the final step is the corners. This is a corner because it has white, 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 and white. So you have to follow these moves. Okay, that was the first case. Another case is this is the same case, when this is white and it has to go here because it's green and red. So yeah, doing the same. Well, now these cases are for advanced method, but for a beginner you can do like this move and get it over in this layer. So now we got this here, and we have to do the second algorithm. It's the same but in the other side. And now we got this, we have to do the same as the other step. I'm going to do fast because to show you how to. It's so easy. And now this, the same. Okay, now we have just this done, the first two layers, F12. So this is easy, but it requires more time to learn it.